Hi guys, welcome to Nature with Alik and Schulman Dragon Fruit Orchard. Happy seeing you, all of you guys around the world. It's August, first week of August. Very hot weather and a heat wave is coming. Today is 89, so around probably 30 Celsius, and tomorrow is going to be 92, a little bit more, 31 degrees of Celsius. Lots of people asking where's my fruit, and definitely I have the same question. I pollinated 4,000 flowers in my orchard over here, 4,000 flowers in last 2 months, and probably since the beginning of July. Since the beginning of July, 2,000 flowers. So definitely everybody's waiting. Where's my fruit? As well as I am, and farmers market, all the customers waiting. So I'm just giving the update. So you can't actually, control the situation with the plant. It depends when they decide to be mature. So and definitely heat is the number one. The reason that they become very fast mature. It could be within 2-3 days. You can see green, and the next day is completely all orchard is going to be red and beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna show you when entering in. So this is the Martin. It's still as you can see, guys. Sorry, everything is growing very fast here. So huge flower were pollinated last night. Amazing big flowers, lots of pollen, and this is I'm getting good feedback on the flavor from customers. You can see one of the fruitos over here. That's probably 1.5 pounds easy fruit. Still green. Definitely waiting for big heat wave, and we'll go. So it's another side. See, Martin, non-stop. Lots of green, but very big size of the fruit. Okay, as well as Laverne. So I do have a little bit fruit all over, but it's not much enough to ship to all of you around America, and definitely share like multi-variety boxes. I do have your pre-orders. It's in my desk, in my list, and definitely I just want to give you an update what happening this week currently in the beginning of August. So here's the AX variety, Santa Cruz. You can see like 3, 4, every branch has a tree fruit on the branches, and it's nice and good condition. Again, the Martin is amazing variety, guys. If you need, I have rooted and cuttings as well. So here's the Coneymeyer. Coneymeyer is a great variety with the flavor of coconut. So I just harvested right now one. I'm gonna show you guys how this looks. So I have approximately maybe 100 fruit on this one, shared maybe like 15 to 20 with the customers who just coming. The first groups I had a little bit for the tour and tasting, little tiny event for the family who traveling around. So we got the opportunity to sit and talk and enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you. Same time over here, standing by American Beauty. Look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 30, 40 fruit on each plant. And here we go. So I'm just gonna stand by the Coneymeyer, and I'll show you exactly how the fruit looks like, and definitely the look of the inside. So Coneymeyer has a nice, beautiful pink flower, very pretty flower. One day I had approximately maybe like 30 flowers at one night was bloom. I had a nice and pretty picture of it. Okay, so that's would be so nice of you to have this variety as well. Okay, so I'm gonna just slice, and of course, guys, I work 16 hours a day, and I really appreciate your support with visiting and ordering, cutting plants and fruit. It gives me energy to run 16 hours a day. So I usually work from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and coming home for the dinner, taking a shower, relaxing a little bit, and coming back 10 o'clock at night to pollinate the flowers. And depends on amount of flowers. I could stay till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, come back next day again, and just pushing myself with the orchard, with the marketing, with the sales, with the communication. It takes really a lot. So here you go. Here's the Coneymeyer. Just slice the beautiful fruit, and definitely you will see how nice and pretty it look like. And it gives me this fruit. Sometimes I do slice, that's where I get water and dragon fruit. Oh my goodness, that's so good. You can really feel a hint of the coconut, and it's a great source of vitamins, minerals, and good fiber that gives you nice energy to your body. And you continue to work, and basically within a week I lost like 6 pounds already. But definitely the warning, I mean, if you really crazy love the dragon fruit, I mean, do not eat too much if you want to move around, unless you can handle it. So if you eat more than a pound, don't go to the movies, okay? Because the natural fiber of this fruit does really work, and lots of people are really happy. All the doctors will highly recommend you as eating as a natural product of the dragon fruit to work with your digestive system, as well as many of minerals, vitamins, and benefits to your body to enjoy. You can do sorbet, you can do fruit salad, you can add to your bakery. So it's amazing. So just to eat itself, it's such a good fruit, guys. Very sweet, coconut flavor, amazing, little crunchy seed, and I love it. Very good. Give it back to the soil, to decompose, and a little coconut fruit will give you, the conimar fruit will give me good energy to move a little bit forward, as well as over here. So sugar dragon, I'm telling you guys, it's the number one that you have to plant. Sugar dragon is a universal pollinator, lots of pollen, similar as laverne, and this guy will pollinate any of your fruit as well, of the flowers. So here we go. I'm just gonna harvest the tiny fruit over here, and definitely the size of the fruit, sometimes it goes like a size of the egg, or like duck egg, a little bit bigger, with more fertilizers that you need to provide to your fruit. Nice and pretty red color flesh, and it's very sweet. It has a nice fragrance of the tropical fruit and flowers, and just amazing source of energy as well. Very sweet and yummy fruit. Okay, so that's the sugar dragon. But I just want to run with you guys through the orchard and to show you what's going on with the flowers and fruit. Oh, over here I just prepared you the laverne introduce. Okay, as you can see, my orchard is growing very fast. Look at this. Look at this. 2 laverne fruit. Huge fruit. Look at this. This is probably between two fruit. It's at least 3 pounds of fruit over here. Okay, and I'm gonna go to show you. So as I mentioned, it's gonna be very hot in a couple days. Depends on your area, wherever you guys grow. But Southern California is hitting high heat temperature. So just to prepare, lots of people asking how to protect, what to protect. So you remember, guys, I told you the very simple system that I did, and cost between $5 to $6. Okay, so you buy this umbrella. So this umbrella is 5 and below store, but I mentioned you in the notes, you have to get it in May before the high heat, before the sold out. So this is 5 and below store, $5. Probably later they'll be sold in Walmart. So you're getting the big beach umbrella, and you're getting the main stock. Okay, so this part you install with your plumbing clips. Okay, so this is 1/2 inch, as you can see me, guys, 1/2 inch clips over here. So you install with the few multiple that you can get in plumbing supply in any hardware store. 2 clips you install with 2 screws to your frame, and that's gonna hold the base. Okay, hold the base to your frame, and that's gonna stay. Okay, you don't have to worry about this one. So that's gonna stay, and the rest of the job you're gonna just have to come back and install the umbrella. Okay, so you just when the heat is coming, You just open the umbrella, depends how many you have, and just slide it above, over here, boom, boom, boom. It's going, okay, so you can see, okay, you slide it, you lock it, make sure it's not gonna fly away with the wing, and this is gonna protect my Enigma. I got already 2 Enigma plants, and if you need, guys, cuttings or rooted plants of Enigma, I have it available as well. So this is all available. Lots of cuttings and rooted plants. Beautiful delight. Look at the size. Each fruit is over a pound. Just waiting a little bit. So nothing we can do. I'm waiting. You guys waiting together with me. But I hope this heat will definitely speed up the process. So here's a nice and beautiful Robless red. As you can see, I did the tasting just a couple weeks ago, and hope you guys have seen this tasting and review of Robless red. Very happy with this plant. I'm so glad that I have it. Non-stop Laverne plants. I keep covering it. So every time I just mark it over here. Laverne is amazing plant to have. You guys have to grow this one in your orchard, and definitely will give you nice and tasty fruit, so you can enjoy it. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover. This one is actually the Vietnam white over here. Laverne is nearby, so that's a mix between Vietnam white and Laverne when I started my dragon fruit orchard. Okay, so I do cover, protecting from the birds, protecting from the rats and as well as the squirrels. So we have lots of nature over here, and you never know, who is coming and who is tasting those fruit during. Oh, beautiful! Look at this, guys. This is the Tricia. Thanks, Edgar Valdier. Here you go. Here's the Tricia. One fruit already was already taken in the morning today by one client. I got 3 more fruit, and overall probably I have my goodness, probably over 20 Tricia fruit on this 3 to 4 year old plant. Okay, so here we go. See how many? Look at this. All the flowers were taken. I'm so happy that my pollen helping lots of people who actually coming and get the fresh pollen. Some of the people order the frozen pollen, and I'm trying to ship it overnight with the frozen bottle and everything. So hopefully it will help. I'm getting some feedbacks that it does work. Some of them doesn't work. So it's hard to predict, guys, what condition and what. But I'm trying to do my best to distribute the pollen through the local community, and definitely the fresh pollen will work 100%. Okay, so as you can see, non-stop fruit is loaded all over, and I can't even walk around my orchard right now because lots of branches. I just want to go back to a beautiful Lisa fruit. Lisa is amazing. Lisa is so pretty. You remember with the funny smile when the cracks started on both sides over here? And Lisa is so pretty and tasty fruit with the berry flavor. And we're back here, lots of fruit over here. I'm covering non-stop, so be guys patient with me, with my plants and fruit. I definitely keep everybody in touch. So here's the Enigma. I have 1, 2, 3, probably like 10 fruit of Enigma. People asking, please, I want this and this and this. It's very hard at this point to get specific varieties, but I'm sure close to end of October, end of the August, and we're gonna have more varieties. So this is Laverne Pink. It's have 1, 2, 3, 5. This is the Mr. Wu. It's already have from previous flowering season. I have a red flesh, and here's the second wave of the flowers already green, and I have few red ready to pick up fruit. American Beauty is coming very soon. Look at this. Another day or two, this American Beauty is going to be ready to harvest, and nice and tasty, amazing fruit. So I thank you so much, guys, for your always support. Please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the that you call me. I really appreciate for your text. And as always, you know, trying to reply to you 16 hours a day. I'm pushing. That's my 6 months of work. We're probably starting like from May when the first flower, and you know, we're rooting the cuttings, and we're doing all the best to provide you with the best rooted plants. And here we go. Life is beautiful. I'm using this technology, the fan that I bought in Japan. Everybody will get the nice towel with the order 3+ cuttings or rooted plants. Will get the cooling towel that I use right now, as well as lots of video about the world and the nature. I managed to travel through different countries this year already. I've been in Israel, I've been to Philippines, I've been to Japan, and we just got back from Hawaii. So, but I do run in between, before the season, I do most of the travel to share with you, as well as I had 1 week when I see the weather is still cooperating good, and just around 1 week I swam with the beautiful fish in the Hawaiian beaches, and enjoy the nature and beauty, and wishing you guys peace, love, and share the beauty of the nature with all the world around. And please come back wherever you still guys traveling around. Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard, Chabad of Thousand Oaks over here at the beautiful Southern California. And we welcome you all, and stay in touch. Alik, Nature with Alik, 323 area code 547-1273. Love you all, guys. All the best. Bye bye. See you next time.